Hi. I have brought you a new exclusive selection of the most unexpected shots from around the world by special order. Let's go. Oh, I completely forgot.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
I don't know about you, but it reminded me of a funny moment.
Bruh.
If you think your morning started badly, then relax, because this guy started it even worse. I'll tell you honestly that it's not so easy to find bears in Russia. This guy was just lucky.
Oh my god.
Here we can observe the real sincere devotion of the owner to his car. Even the harshest conditions are almost unable to separate them.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Such love can only be envied.
My god. Very deep.
The following video is quite violent, so I ask young mothers and children to turn away from the screens. I think it was something like this.
From now on, I'm gonna be thinking about you 24/7. Damn!
Let's just hope that the laughter in the background comes from the same child who was covered by the car. It's not for me to tell you that drinking a lot of alcohol is harmful, but I'm even afraid to imagine how much you need to drink in order not to wake up from a huge flame emanating from your own car at a distance of 50 centimeters. Free travel between countries is the dream of everyone who has ever traveled. Perhaps someday there will be such an opportunity, we can only wait. But there are also people who can no longer wait, so they choose not the safest ways to travel. For example, this guy climbed on the turbine of an airplane. Fortunately, or to his disappointment, this journey was not destined to take place. Today is a happy day. Let's congratulate this guy on his second birth. Work is work, but water treatments are on schedule. Equanimity in any situation is a rare human trait. But this guy was clearly born with nerves of steel. The headache is guaranteed for sure. This rescue operation was doomed to success, but the horse got a little nervous and went crazy. However, the most important thing is that everything is fine with her. Recently, trains have become one of the most common causes of death worldwide. This is because people are used to ignoring obstacles and walking straight without even looking around. And all he had to do was turn his head to the left in advance. And this guy, it seems, just wanted to be hurt. As you can see, he even waved his hand in disappointment. He's absolutely right, this is insane. At this rate, skateboards will soon also become a cause of death. Just doing your daily duties at your restaurant, and it would seem that what could go wrong? But a good show is one that makes the viewer experience a huge range of diverse emotions. Even if it's fear for your own life. Exciting, isn't it? It looks like some giant just didn't like these little people, and he decided to throw a small stone at them to drive them away. Thank you so much for watching. I've read a lot of good reviews about the new format. But there were also those who didn't like it. It's normal. In any case, I will take into account your wishes and eliminate the shortcomings in order to provide you with the best content. Our channel is growing only thanks to you and your support. I believe that a great future awaits us. See you soon. Peace.